Jeffries, who lost his life saving the bruised Madonna and child.
Lieutenant Stokes, I have one question. You said the Madonna.
Yes, sir, the bruised Madonna.
Right. Michelangelo made it, right?
Yes, sir.
And you lost a man trying to save it.
Donald Jeffries.
You think it was worth it for a piece of art?
Do you think Jeffries would say it was worth it, if he could speak?
If he could speak. I think he would.
All right, then, how about you, Lieutenant? You were in charge, and this gets to the heart of the matter. You think 30 years from now, anyone's going to remember that these men died for a piece of art?
You ready?